सेकंड इयर पासून मी तुम्हाला ऑब्झर्व करत आलेलो आहे. तुमच्या बॅचने ज्या पद्धतीने मला कॉपरेशन केलं त्याच्याबद्दल मी खरोखरच तुमचा आभारी आहे. आणि खरोखरच मला काय एक्सप्रेस करावं सांगता येणं शक्य नाही, कारण माझे फिलिंग्स काय आहेत तुमच्याबद्दल हे तुम्हालाही माहिती आहे. तुम्हाला माझ्याबद्दल काय फिलिंग्स तेही मला माहिती आहे. हा ऑफिशियल सेंड ऑफ मिळायला पाहिजे, कारण अनऑफिशियल सेंड ऑफ म्हणजे सेमिस्टर 7 नंतरच खरा झालेला आहे. पण तुमच्या बॅचला मात्र मी नक्की मिस करीन. जवळजवळ 3-1 वर्षांनी मला अशी चांगली बॅच बघायला मिळाली. माझ्या सगळ्या भावी आयुष्याला माझ्याकडनं तुमच्या शुभेच्छा आहेत. जरूर कॉलेजच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये राहा, आलं की भेटत राहा. बस एवढंच बोलू शकतो.
थोडंसं वाईट वाटतं. ते खरंच आहे, म्हणजे प्लीज येतील खरंच सुचत नाही काय. आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या तुमच्या पाठीची शुभेच्छा आहे. जरी आपली 4 वर्षापर्यंतची अटॅचमेंट असं काही नाहीये. तुम्ही आता इथून गेला म्हणजे हा काही निरोप समारंभ म्हटलं की 4 वर्ष होतं तुम्ही कॉलेजमध्ये होता म्हणून असं विसं काही नाहीये. वी आर ऑलवेज विथ यू. कधी तुम्ही येऊ शकता. आम्ही तुमच्यासोबत नेहमीच आहोत.
Journey, you are here gathered to celebrate your graduation now, and these 4 years I think were too hectic for you because of the special persons like me. But I must say within these 4 years you have learned one thing, and that is how to sleep into coma. You sit in the class, the teacher is rambling, and you feel like you're sleeping, going. But as Abhinav has told me that day, professor is the one who makes you sleep. I say there are few professors that do not let you sleep happily. Now when you are doing your engineering from your, I think I know you from third sem,
Automata.
It was like, for you, it was like theory of computation. You started with theory. Theory was something that you knew, but it never worked. It never worked. Practical was something that worked in the 6th sem, 3D, but you never knew how it worked. In the 7th sem, software engineering or your DC was combined with theory and practicals. It's not like that. Engineering combined, software engineering combined theory and practicals both. It never worked. You never knew why it did not work. After coming through all these hassles, you are here today to celebrate. I just want to say that you are going to embark a journey into the professional career over here, wherein there will be a continual stress of creativity and constraints. Because engineering is a rewarding career wherein you want to be creative, but there are always constraints put on from the higher authorities that limit your creativity. I just want to wish you that you will always find the best path so as to balance the both. And you progress with you and along with others. Wishing you all the best for your future, and well, actually I am here to say you goodbye. I still cannot believe you have crossed all the hassles. About the sentence, it's just like I still do not believe how earlier this journey is going to end up now. I am yet not ready to say goodbye to you. I cannot say goodbye to you. Your memories, the very special kinship I had with most of you, or rather all of you, I'll cherish it. My memories will never die and will never say goodbye to you.
चल वहीं पर है तेरी कैमरा की उसके अंदर है चल शायरी नाम शायरी
MS likes all of you have given me a presentation, but maximum people what they had done, I'll give you the example. Assume that there will be a presentation, PPT will be on PC or a projector.
Sushant.
And if a drop of water falls in a lake, there is no identity. But it falls on a leaf of a lotus. It shines like a pearl. So choose the best place where you would wish. So fly in the plane of ambition and land in the airport of a success. Luck is yours, wish is mine, and may your future always shine. All the best.
I know that at the last moment I will not able to speak or just collect all the memories. So I have written something and I will just read it. All my dear students, I wish to tell you that I will always remember you as a very good, talented students, all of you, like our all previous batches. and you are all wonderful sportsmen. Work and studied as a team.